It's one of our favorite times of year, and it's time for us to announce our home garden contest. Now, over the years, we've done a lot of different home garden contests. You name it as far as themes go. We've done a traditional garden. We've done school gardens. We've done garden sheds, water garden contests. So this year, as we celebrate our 50th anniversary, we're not only looking back at the past 50 years, but we're also looking towards the future. And so we thought, what better way to celebrate that than to host a youth garden contest? Now, I know I got my start gardening at an early age, and I know there's a lot of other kids that are out there doing the same thing right now, and we want to hear from you. So if you're interested in our youth garden contest, or maybe you know somebody who would be a great candidate, we encourage you to apply by simply sending us your name, your age, also your city, and a little bit about your garden interest. And if you could include a few photos, that would be great, whether it's photos from last year's garden or this year's garden that you've already got started. Just send it to our email address, and at that point, we're going to select a few of the top winners to come visit. So I know that gardening can sometimes not be the most glamorous thing in the summertime, but this summer, it might be your opportunity to be on TV. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.